I am Professor Jean Bosco. I want to demonstrate the Industrial 4.0 device here, which is an augmented reality. We can use it in industry. What is important, this augmented reality helps the technician to communicate with engineers when the engineers are in the plant. So it means the technician are on the ground floor, they are on the shop floor, and the engineers are in another floor, or they are in another country. So the discussion here is we don't want to fly the engineers or to bring them to the country because the cost of traveling is very expensive. We are trying to see how can we have, like now for example, we are repairing this machine here. When we are trying to repair the machine, we are trying to show somebody who is in another country to make sure that what he's doing is correct. You can see, we can see his fingers and everything he's doing on the machine, so that the job he's doing is immediately transmitted to the engineer. Then engineer can be able to see what he's doing, if he's doing it right, if he's not doing it right, he can be able to tell. This kind of device is very important for companies. When we are talking about a company like Kengen, we are talking about a company like Kenya Power. When people go to the field, they can be able to communicate. This device has a lot of interest when we go to industries, what people can be able to do with this device. Like now, for example, when I'm seeing the competitors here doing the competition, I can be able to see, to transmit. Even in an examination room, people can be able to see if a student they are doing the right thing. In insurance companies, we can use this kind of project because it's very important on a crime scene to see whether what is happening on the crime scene is the same thing which are reported. When we go to healthcare, still it is the same. So there is a lot of application. Even in tourism, this kind of device can have an application. So this is much being used in industry. Here we are mechatronics. When I have this device, I can easily see clearly all the button of this machine. I can demonstrate what I want, what I see doesn't work, and so forth. I have all the chances to show the people what I'm doing. I'm resetting the machine. Maybe it doesn't move. Or the machine has started to move. If I reset, somebody can say I have reset the machine. I can start, I can switch, and so forth. I don't want to interfere with the competitor job. I see he's looking at me. So that is what we can say for this kind of technology. But also somebody on the screen, can you help me to see this button? I wanted to see the correct button, whether I am pushing the correct button. I am confused. I am not sure whether this is the start button or this is the start button. Kindly show me which one is the start button, because here this is red, this is another red. Which one is a stop, which one is emergency? Okay. So please show me what the button is emergency. I am having this button. Yes. So this is the stop. Highlight it, okay. Is the stop button. Mm-hmm. Yes, you should see it on your screen. Yes, I'm seeing it. That is the top button. Then what about this? Next to it is the start button. Mm-hmm. And then there is the reset, manual, and auto. So this is reset, yes. Yes, and then we have the output power button. Output power button is this? Yes. Okay. And our emergency stop. So this is emergency stop. Right there. Okay. So now this workpiece, it has to be picked from where? Is it the correct place to pick or to drop? You had done? Yes, yes. I'm on that side. Yes. I wanted to know whether this is a picking press or a dropping press. Where you're pointing right now is a picking place. Oh, is a picking press. So if the robot pick this workpiece here, it has to drop to any station here, right? Yes. Oh. Those shoes that are there, yeah. Okay. So here we have some sensors, right? Yes. What is the job of these sensors? They are to direct the arm to stop at certain shoots. So, for example, if you have like the piece right there, you can say that you want it to be dropped in the first shoot. Yes, yes. So those sensors, like the sensor here. Yes, yes. Will stop the robot, the arm. Oh, it will stop there. Particular shoot. Okay, thank you so much. At least for this machine, I understand. Maybe I can go to the other machine. You help me to understand. I don't know whether on the screen you are able to see. I have here another machine.
Yeah.
So what is this sensor here I'm seeing here?
Could you point to it?
Yes.
That is a capacitive sensor, a proximity sensor. Yes, so it is to detect the presence of a workpiece there.
Oh, it has to detect the presence of the workpiece, and then when the workpiece is there, it starts to rotate, right?
Yes.
What about this? Here. There is another sensor I see here.
Oh yes, there is another sensor. It is also, it looks the same. Yes, it's the same. It's a proximity sensor also.
Okay.
Yes, and there's a gripper there also.
Oh, there is this gripper, yes?
Yes, you see it?
Yes, I can see the gripper.
Yes, it helps us in orientation of the workpiece.
Oh, that's good, that's good. I think this is very important. This is how we can be able to communicate, to teach a student in different institutions when it is not necessary for the student to be where we are. It is not necessary for us to go to the ground to help people in Kengen or other companies. Because when I'm here, do you see the PLC?
Yes, I do see the PLC.
Which PLC is this now?
This, look closer, just a bit.
Yes.
Yes, that is the Siemens 300.
Oh, this is Siemens 300. Okay, yes. I see the lamps, there is no red lamps, so it means it is in good condition?
Yes.
Okay. So how can I remove the memory card? I see something here. Yeah.
I see a slot.
Yes.
Yes, so that's where the memory card is inserted and you can remove it also.
Oh, so I can remove the memory card from there. Oh, that is very important.
That's not here.
Oh, that's right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for assisting. So I can go back to the robot to see if they have completed the exercise. They are trying to fix something. Mr. Nyaga, is there any problem?
No, it's okay.
Oh, it's okay? So he has finished to do the robot. He has fixed this.
Now it's testing.
But
now we want to test.
Oh, they want you to test now. Okay, thank you so much. Yes, thank you, Tony. So this has an application, as I said, in Kengen, Kenya Power, Kenya Port, all the companies locally. We can be able to support them with this kind of the device. We can support also in social activities, especially when it goes to insurance company to know what is happening, because generally when insurance company wanted to know what happened on the ground, they have to send an assessor, a policeman come, an assessor come, and then you have also to have another person. So there is a evaluator, there is an assessor, there is the third person. So this is very expensive to insurance, but with the device, on a daily time we can know what is happening. Do you see the robot is running now?
Yes, we can see the robot.
Yeah, you can see the robot arm, but I think we didn't know whether he's able to point the correct position.
Only repeating.
Be careful.
Yeah, I have to be careful because it can hit me. Okay, but I see the robot arm is okay, is working perfectly. Yeah, thank you so much.